Good morning, Mom. How did you sleep?
Good morning, sweetheart. I slept pretty well, thank you. How about you?
I slept okay, but I had a strange dream. Do you ever have those?
Oh, yes, all the time. What was your dream about?
It was about flying on a giant marshmallow through space! Isn't that funny?
Haha, that sounds like quite the adventure. Dreams can be so unpredictable sometimes.
Definitely! Anyway, I'm excited for breakfast. What are we having today?
I thought we could make some pancakes together. How does that sound?
Yum! Pancakes sound perfect! Can I help you mix the batter?
Of course, I'd love your help. Grab the mixing bowl and the flour from the pantry, please.
Got it! Here's the bowl and the flour. What's next?
We'll need eggs, milk, and a bit of sugar. Would you mind getting those from the fridge?
Sure thing, Mom. Here they are. What should I do with them?
Crack 2 eggs into the bowl, then pour in 1 cup of milk and add a tablespoon of sugar. I'll whisk them together while you measure out the flour.
Sounds like a plan. This is fun, Mom. I love cooking with you.
I love it too, sweetie. Cooking together is a great way for us to spend time and bond.
Definitely. Okay, the flour is all measured out. What's next?
Let's pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until the batter is smooth. Then we can heat up the griddle and start making pancakes.
Sounds easy enough. I'll get the griddle heating while you finish mixing.
Great teamwork, sweetheart. I'm looking forward to our delicious breakfast.
Me too, Mom. Thanks for cooking with me.
Anytime, my dear. Now let's make some pancakes.